It's sweet, savoury, sour, spicy. It's just going to be an explosion of flavours happening in your mouth, I promise you. Today we're making something that's really, really simple to make, and it takes no longer than 20 minutes. We're making Thai-style steamed squids. So for this Thai-style steamed squid, all right, here I have a squid which I've told the guy to clean for me. I prefer them clean, but if you don't mind the skin, you can leave them on. I see lots of Thai, you know, especially when we're traveling in Thailand, a lot of them keep the skin on. I think maybe here in Malaysia, we're more used to having the skin removed, presentation-wise, look a little bit better. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna marinate this with a little bit of lime juice. Okay, just squirt lime juice in. Give it a toss around. Here I've got a wok that's filled with water that I'm trying to bring to a boil. And we're going to be steaming this squid whole. Now, there's some recipes out there that call for you to cut the squid, lay them in a plate, pour the sauce over, and steam it. Now, I don't like doing that because that's when we steam the squid is going to release a lot of its juices, or a lot of water, and that's going to dilute the sauce that we put on top. It's the same theory of how when we steam fish, we always steam the fish first and then discard the fish water, and then we put the sauce on. Okay, so that's the logic that I'm going with. For the squid sauce, I'm gonna start with 3 cloves of garlic. Can do it 1 more clove. There we go. So it's 4 cloves of garlic in total that I'm using. Okay, done. Get that into a bowl. Got 2 bird's eye chili, thinly sliced, into the bowl as well. Lots of coriander. Put that in. Lime. Okay, now we go in with about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now, I have here some lemongrass, which I'm going to be cutting very, very thinly, and we want to mince it. Yeah, because lemongrass can be quite fibrous, so if you don't mince it, it's not going to be a pleasant texture. But at the same time, you want that beautiful smell of lemongrass. There we go, lemongrass inside. Now I have here palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, or you can't get access to palm sugar, you can use any brown sugar, molasses. This is just anything other than your regular white sugar, because this actually gives a nice richness, a nice rounder finish to the dish, rather than using just regular plain white sugar. That goes in, and just mix all these ingredients together. So, in terms of flavor profile, right? We all know Thai dishes have this sweet, sour, savory, spicy. Now, at the end of the day, the preference is yours. So if you like it a little bit sweeter, you can add more palm sugar in it. If you like it not so sweet, more pungent, sour, lessen the sugar, increase the lime juice. But at the end of the day, what you want, what you're really looking for is this nice balance that sits in between these flavors, that sweet spot. Okay, that's crucial. Now, for this sauce, just let it stand for a good 5 minutes. Now we're gonna let the squid cook. It's important to let the sauce stand because you want all those flavors there to sort of incorporate together. Okay, we've got a pot of boiling water. Now squid goes in. Squid doesn't take very long to cook, so this will go for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. All right, there we go, nice. Now you see that the squid is cooked. Okay, see all that water that comes out? Now imagine that going into your beautifully seasoned, balanced sauce. The end result, it's going to dial down the flavor of your sauce. So now what we're gonna do here, I've got my plate. Whew, hot. This goes onto your plate. There we go. You've got your wing. Slice it up. Got your other wing. There we go. Tentacles, cut them in half. Now, we're ready to dress the squid. We'll put this in here. Cover the pot, and what we're doing here is just to bring everything up to temperature, because this sauce is room temperature, squid hot. You put room temperature over hot, the heat just drops, and you want to serve something that's nice and hot, right? So we've put the sauce on, so that will protect the squid from being overcooked. All we need to do is raise the temperature of the sauce, of the dish entirely. That will take approximately about 3 minutes, and then we're good to serve. All right, there we go, beautiful. Now you don't want to keep it too long because you don't want the coriander to start turning yellow. Get the steam away. You don't want to burn your hands. And then pick up the plate. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is Thai-style steamed squid. Easy type of dish you do when you find yourself the freshest squids. All right, now for a quick taste test. Oh my God, it's one of those things that when you smell, your saliva glands just releases and you just salivate. Okay. This is absolutely, oh my God. So spicy, it's so sour, it's so sweet, it's so savory. That's the sweet spot that you're looking for, yeah? And in all of that, towards the end of it, in that chew, you get the sweetness of the squid. Oh. It's very important to note, guys, when you're making something like this, that you do not, emphasize again, do not overcook the squid. If not, you just end up with Thai-style chewing gum. You know? This is beautiful, succulent, absolutely delicious. You can have this as an appetizer. You can actually also serve this cold, actually. It's like a nice squid ceviche, almost. Oh. But the thing, when you do not cook the squid together in the sauce, your sauce doesn't get diluted. It's still nice and punchy, if you know what I mean. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this, you think it's added value to you, don't forget to click the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.